Jay, the club's come to Yorke Peninsula for its Australia Post Community Camp, and the first stop is your old school, Maitland Lutheran Primary. What's it like to come back?
Yeah, it's always good to get back home and see some familiar faces. And my old principal's still here, which is interesting. He's been here 16 or 17 years now. So look, it's great. It's great to get back and see the kids. And obviously I'm from around this area and I know a few people, and it's always nice.
What are your memories of school, mate? Was there a fair bit of footy kicked on this oval that we're standing on?
Yeah, there was a few kick and catch and specky sessions, but it was great. I played a lot of sport here as a kid, whether it be sports days or footy or hockey or cricket or basketball or whatever. So great times here as a kid.
And you still retain a really strong connection to the peninsula?
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously my parents still live here. My next brother up lives here as well, and they run the farm with Dad, so and his wife and his kids. So obviously we try and get back here when we can and see everyone. And it's a fantastic place of Australia. So it's really proud to have come from here, and love getting back here. There's good water, good fishing, good surf down here. So it's always great time when we get some time off to get back here.
And Australia Post have made it possible to bring the whole club back. What does that mean for the community, a visit like this, do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we know how important these kinds of visits are to the community. We remember as kids having our stars come out and you get to meet them and ask questions, which is something you don't get to do very often as a kid. So look, it's fantastic for the kids, it's fantastic for the community, the build-up, the fact of AFL clubs going to everywhere, in parts of Australia is just a massive thing, and it's a massive credit to both the Australia Post and the AFL.
Fantastic. We'll talk a little bit of football. First couple of games back yesterday, a little bit of good, a little bit of stuff we can learn from. How did you see the two games? Yeah,
absolutely. Guys were obviously up and about early. I think it probably helped us a little bit having St Kilda played half already and we come out fresh, and then you probably saw the other side of it when we played the Crows. They came out sort of after having a break, and it's really exciting times. I think we've seen some great young kids. Obviously people got their first glimpse of a few, Jake Need, Ollie Wines, Campbell Heath, Stevo, so which is it's fantastic. We've got some great guys around the place. Obviously Gussie Montfries as well, so bit of a senior body, but everyone knows how good a player he is. So look, it's very exciting times, and hopefully our supporters got a glimpse of how we sort of want to attack and play our footy this year.
Good on you, Jay. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for having us back at your old school.
Thanks, mate.